Now that you've watched the first 3 videos, how to start a new planner and set it up, how to decorate your happy planner, how to plan in the happy planner. In this video, part 4 of the series, how to start a new planner, the next thing is what's next? There are 3 options that I am suggesting for you to do next. So let's get right into it. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new videos every week about creative planning and productivity. One is find some planner friends. A great place to find some planner friends is on Facebook. There are tons of groups, both separated by the type of planner you're using, the way you're using your planner, like budgeting or decorative or journaling, or in geographic areas, you can find a planner Facebook group for other planner babes in your geographical area, like your state or your country. I have a little Facebook group for Southwest Florida planners, so if you're in the area, make sure to join. Your second choice is you can join Instagram, and on Instagram you will see lots and lots of planner babes who are sharing their planner layouts for inspiration. You can also start your own and join in with us. It's so much fun and a great place to get decorative inspiration. Another option for you is to take a planner class. And I have a couple of classes open right now inside of the Planner School. One for new beginner planners called Planning 101, the Power Plan System, and another course for a little more advanced planners called How to Plan Like a Pro Productivity Workshop. There will be more classes coming to the Planner School in 2021, so make sure you are subscribed to my newsletter. All the details for the Planner School, Facebook groups, Instagram, everything will be in the description box. Now that you have set up your planner, learned how to decorate, and learned how to plan, what is your next step? Leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you are doing next. To get your free Power Plan checklist, which will walk you through the Power Plan system that I use for decorative and functional planning, there will be a link in the description box to the Planner channel website where you can get that and join the newsletter. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!